Yo, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy LB, and here in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make Doctor Strange multiple arms effect in Adobe After Effects. So here, I'm in a set. I'm going to shoot this video. I'm with an artist, HP. HP, how is doing?
I'm doing great.
This is the guy who is gonna perform these actions. So now, let's do it. And action. 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 And action. Action. Alright guys, so guys, as you see here, I'm in Adobe Premiere Pro, and yes, I choose to use this Adobe Premiere Pro, and then here, this is my video clip which I'm going to use, and I'm going to drag this all clip, and I have to drop it here on this timeline, okay? And I have, okay, let me drag one by one. So this is the first clip which I'm gonna use, okay? So let me try to drag all clips here because I will use the video only. Let me try to drag all clips here in this timeline, okay? Maybe it is 6 clips, okay? And this is the last one. So, and let me delete this audio because I will not use it, okay? So the things I'm going to do, I'm going to remove this green screen, okay? First of all, so I have to come here on these double arrows and then go here on effect, and I have to search the effect called ultra key. This ultra key is gonna help me to remove this green screen, okay? And I have to drag and drop it here, okay? But before I remove this green screen, guys, I just want to remove these things which is around here on this frame, okay? And I have to use this opacity by using masking method, okay? So, and I have to use this tool, okay? So first, let me mask these things like this, okay? Yeah, I have to remove green screen after, yeah, something like this. And then let me come back here for this ultra key. I have to click here on it, and I'm going to use this icon, okay? And I have to remove this green screen like this, guys. As you see here, there is some edges which is remains here, and I have to click here on this default. Let me click here for this aggression. Now you see, guys, the green screen is already removed, but I have some things here up, okay? And I have to working on the mask in order to remove this stuff, okay? I have to do something like this. Now you see, guys, everything is going good. Now I have the subject only, okay? So the things I have to do, I'm going to copy this opacity and this ultra key, and I have to paste it all for these all clips, okay? And I have to take this opacity and then hold the control on your keyboard and then click this ultra key, and then you have to make control plus C by copy. When you come here for this second clip, you have to paste it. Now you see, guys, everything is going good. Now it remains the subject only, okay? So the things I'm going to do, I'm going to arrange these clips, okay? As I told you, this is the first clip and this is the second one. So the first clip must goes up, okay? Must goes up, yeah, something like this. And then the second clip must come here down, okay? So I have to arrange something like this when it's starting like this. So maybe the second clip will also start coming, yeah, for this clip, okay? I have to arrange in this way because this is the first clip. We're starting by here. Even the second one, they will come in this way. But for this one, I have to reduce the size just like this. Okay, and the third one too, I have to bring the third one here. The third one I have to give it like 82. Okay, something like this. Okay, I have to extend just a little bit here in the front. Mungu wangu. Something like this. Okay, and then let me bring the fourth one here. Yeah, the fourth one, and I have to give this fourth one 82 also. This is the fourth one here, guys. Something like this. The fourth one, yes. I have to arrange the fourth one in this way. Okay, and then let me bring the fifth one. Where's the fifth one? Yes, the fifth one, and I have to give it the fifth one like 82. Yeah, the fifth one must be, yes, just go here, something like this. Okay, the fifth one, and then now let me bring the last one. Have to bring the last one here. Yeah, something like this. Okay, and then for the fifth one I have to give it 82. Yes, the position, and I have to move down something like this. Even this fifth one I move down, yes, like these guys. The fourth one too, something like this. Okay, so guys, when you pray, you see what I get here. This is the result, something like this. So guys, this is how you can create this simple Doctor Strange effect, multiple arms in Premiere Pro. There is no other things which I use, just it is removing the green screen and then making the position of this subject. So the things I have to do, just I have to add like in a background. Either guys, you can use any background you want. Maybe you can use the image, maybe you can use the video. Okay, so now let me find the background which I use. Best background. Yes. Okay, let me use this one. It's like an image, it's like an, yeah, background. Yes, you can use like this one. Okay, either you can use any image you want. Yes, you can put any video you want. Yeah, depend what the composition you want. So guys, this is how you can create this effect. Don't forget to make subscribe, like, share, and drop the comment down below and let me know what you think. See you in next video. Peace.